You guys, I've never screamed like that in my life. I was just trying to deal with what I thought was a normal ingrown toenail. Then I pressed on it, and this disgusting white stuff started exploding out from under my nail. Hundreds of tiny eggs and a fat, bursting Chigoe flea. My toe looked like it had been taken over by aliens. The pain was next level. The smell was horrible, and I genuinely thought I was going to lose my entire toenail. If you're watching this right now because your foot is killing you, stay with me till the end. I'm showing you exactly what happened, how I got that exploded mess out safely, and what you should do if this nightmare happens to you. This is the real, unfiltered story on Medicera. All right, let's dive into this gross but important story. 2 weeks ago, I was traveling in a rural area and made the stupid mistake of walking around barefoot for a bit. A few days later, my big toe started itching like crazy. Then it swelled up and turned painful. At first, I ignored it, thought it was just dirt or an infection. But the pressure kept building until one night I couldn't sleep. I decided to check under the nail, and that's when everything exploded. For those who don't know, the Chigoe flea, also called jigger or sand flea, burrows into your skin, especially around feet and nails. The female swells up like a balloon and fills with eggs. When it gets big enough, boom. That's exactly what happened to me. I sat down with some sterilized tools and gently lifted the edge of the nail. The moment I touched it, this yellowish white pus mixed with hundreds of tiny eggs came bursting out. It was like a horror movie. The mother flea was huge, all engorged and half dead already. I carefully worked it out piece by piece while trying not to throw up. The smell was insane, sweet but rotten. I recorded the whole thing because I knew some of you would want to see the real deal. Now it was satisfying and disgusting at the same time. The pressure in my toe dropped instantly once everything came out. Here's the important part. Don't panic if this happens to you. First, I cleaned the entire area aggressively with hydrogen peroxide and strong antiseptic. Then I removed every visible egg and flea part I could find. I soaked my foot in warm salt water mixed with a bit of potassium permanganate for 20 minutes. I packed the space under the nail with antibiotic ointment, bandaged it tightly, and kept it elevated. For the next week, I changed the dressing twice a day, soaked it regularly, and watched it like a hawk. Thankfully, I avoided a bad infection. The nail did lift a bit, but it's growing back normally now. If you're going through this right now, I feel your pain, literally. Drop a comment and tell me what's happening with your foot or if this video helped you. If you want more real medical stories, removal videos, and survival tips from the field, make sure you're subscribed to Medicera and hit the notification bell. Drop a like if you survived this gross video with me, and I'll see you in the next one. Stay safe, take care of your feet, and thanks for watching.